Hello and good day sa inyo ngayon mga idol. So thank you for watching my videos. And today nga po pala ay pag-usapan natin ang mga list of LTO driving fines and violations. Pero bago po yan, kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At sa mga dati na pong subscribers, maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyong panonood. At sana po nasa mabuti po kayong mga kalagayan, no? So, ayan, pag-usapan natin kasi maganda po na alam natin 'to para atin pong maiwasan, okay? Kasi siyempre kapag meron kang violation, may penalty 'yan, maglalabas ka ng pera na abala ka na, napagastos ka pa, okay? So sabi nga nila, prevention is better than cure. Tsaka aminado naman tayo, no? So hindi naman perfect na lahat sa atin ay nakakuha ng lisensya or nakakapag-drive, alam tong mga to or dumaan sa tamang proseso, no? So yung iba sa atin, aminin ko katulad ko, hindi na ako dumaan nung mga semi-seminar nung panahon na kumukuha pa ako ng lisensya noon kasi una motor lang yung dinadrive ko noon. Tapos, syempre, kapag marunong ka naman mag-drive, from student, tapos kapag kuha ka ng lisensya, papakita mo lang na marunong ka mag-drive, yun, makakakuha ka na ng mga time na yun. So, ayan, yan, pag-usapan na natin. So, try nating basahin at tapos explain kung kayang explain or Tagalogin natin. So, ayan, samahan nyo ako mga idol at isa-isahin natin. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, list of LTO driving fines and violations. The Land Transportation Office or LTO imposes fines and sanctions in events of violation, be it driver, plate, or registration related. It's an important list to have as we are sure that almost everyone, regardless of how law abiding or roady you are as a driver, has been caught by enforcers at least once, whether it's due to an illegal turn, o nagkamali ka ng liko, or for beating the red light. We are sure even you have a story to tell about a traffic or road violation you once committed and how much of a hassle it has been. So, ayan, hindi naman lahat sa atin perfect. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga game violation. May mga kanya-kanya tayong experience at kwento tungkol dyan. Okay. With this guide, we offer you a list of violations, fines, and penalties that you may face during your daily drives. May this guide help you find clarity and make you a more aware and hopefully wiser driver. Okay, so ang website po na pinuntahan natin, dumiretso tayo sa ltoportal.ph slash driving dash fines dash violations. Alright? So, marami po kayo matututunan dito. Basahin nyo po. Pero dahil nandito na tayo, samahan nyo po ako na isa-isahin natin. Okay? So may table of contents po tayo rito. Complete list of LTO violations, fines, and penalties in the PH or in the Philippines. Permits and license related violations. Violations in connection with motor vehicle registration, renewal, or operation. Violations in connection with dimensions, specifications, weight, and load limits. Violations in connection with franchise. May video rin na LTO road violations and penalties. Meron din mga frequently asked questions. What is an LTO violation? What are the penalties of LTO violations? How can I pay my LTO fines? Is it possible to dispute an LTO fine? Are there additional fees associated with LTO violations? Are there any legal assistance services available if I'm charged with an LTO violation? What happens if I fail to pay my LTO fine? What other measures should I take after being charged with an LTO violation? Are there any other resources available to help me understand LTO laws? Tsaka may summary. Okay, so ayan, may video. Kung gusto nyo panoorin, panoorin nyo po yung video. Ayan, eto na. LTO driving violations and fines. Ayan, ito yung complete list of LTO violations, fines, and penalties in the Philippines. Okay, so number one, regarding sa permit and license related violations. Okay, so driving without a valid driver's license or conductor's permit as well as driving. Ito yung mga list na violation with an expired license, with a revoked license, with a suspended license, with an inappropriate driver's license, restriction code, yan, sa likod po ng ating lisensya may restriction code kung ano pong kaya nating i-drive, with an inappropriate driver's license classification, with a fake driver's license, with a valid foreign driving license beyond 90-day maximum allowable period for tourists. So, pag lumampas ka sa 90-day, kung tourist ka, without being accompanied by a duly licensed driver for student permit holders. So, ito kung student ka pa lang, nag-drive ka, wala kang kasamang professional driver, or hindi, wala, ano, etong fine mo, 3,000 pesos. Okay. Penalty. Unlicensed or improper licensed driver will be disqualified from acquiring a driver's license during a motor vehicle for 1 year after the payment of the fine. So, pwede ka pang ano, ma-disqualify sa pagkakaroon mo ng driver's license for 1 year. Agoy. So, next, number two. Driving a motor vehicle used in a or in the commission of crime. Okay, so gunamit sa krimen. Ang fine po ay 10,000 pesos. So mahal, laki. Penalty. Upon conviction, the driver's license will be confiscated and revoked, and the driver shall be perpetually disqualified from being granted a driver's license and driving a motor vehicle. So mawawalan ka na ng lisensya, mare-revoke. The vehicle will also be impounded until ordered to be released after the payment of appropriate fines and penalties. So, may impound pa yung inyong sasakyan. Okay. So, mahirap pala pagka yung sasakyan mo nagamit sa krimen. Ayan. Commission of a crime in the course of apprehension. Ano ba yung course of apprehension? Alamin natin yan. Pero, tsaka natin. Basahin na lang muna itong mga to. Fine, 10,000 pesos. Ba, malaki. Penalty. Upon conviction, the driver's license shall be confiscated and revoked, and the driver shall be disqualified from being granted driver's license for 5 years, 5 taon. From the date of payment of appropriate fines and penalties, the vehicle will also be impounded until ordered to be released after payment of appropriate fines and penalties. Tingnan nga natin ano ba yung commission of crime in the course of apprehension. Tingnan nga natin. Tingnan na. Google lang natin. I-Google natin to. Ang bagal. Ano yun? Commission of a crime. Ano yun? In the course of apprehension. Ayan. Ano ba to? Ang sabi, commissioning a crime during the course of apprehension refers to a situation where the driver commits an additional crime while being apprehended for a traffic violation. So gumawa ka pa ng krimen na na-apprehend ka na ng may traffic violation ka na, tapos may kinumit ka pang krimen. Yun pala yun. Nahuli ka na, dinagdagan mo pa yung kasalanan mo. May gumawa ka pang krimen. Ako po. Yun pala yun, yung commission of a crime in the course of apprehension. Aroy, additional 10K. Number 4, Driving under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and or similar substance. Section 12, RA 10586. Ang sabi dito, penalty, confiscation and suspension of non-professional driver's license for 12 months, so isang taon, after payment of the appropriate fines and penalties, first conviction, perpetual revocation of non-professional driver's license for the second violation, for professional driver's license holders, confiscation and perpetual revocation for first conviction applies. Agoy. Wow, walang kanang lisensya. Number 5, reckless driving, including driving a motor vehicle. So, reckless driving. Nako, delikado to. With an improper registration, with an expired registration, with revoked registration, with suspended registration, with invalid registration, with an unregistered or fake substitute or replacement engine, engine block, or chassis. Fine is 2,000 pesos for first offense, 3,000 pesos for the second offense, and 10,000 subsequently offense o subsequent offense. So dadagdagan. Penalty, the driver's license shall be suspended for a period of 3 months for second offense and 6 months for the third offense and revoked for the succeeding offense. Drivers with revoked non-professional driver's license are also disqualified from being granted for a new license for 2 years. Agoy, 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 agoy. Mabigat na yan. Number 6, submission of fake documents in relation to the application for a driver's license, new or renewal. So pag napasa ka ng peking dokumento, 3,000 pesos ang multa mo. 3,000 pesos ang fine. Penalty, the driver's license will be put on alarm and revoked, and the driver will be disqualified from getting a driver's license and driving a motor vehicle for 1 year from the payment of the fine. So magbabayad ka na, wala ka pang lisensya. Number 7, failure to wear the prescribed seatbelt device, including allowing a 6 or a child 6, I'm sorry, mali ang basa. Allowing a child 6 years old or younger to sit on front of the passenger seat. So nako, kailangan ko palang iwasan to. Isakay ang bata na 6 years below or younger sa harapan ng passenger seat. So dito sa tabi ng driver. Ang fine ay 1,000 pesos for the first offense, 2,000 pesos for the second offense, 5,000 pesos for the third offense. Ang penalty, suspension of the driver's license for 1 week from payment of the fine for third and each succeeding offense. Agoy. Kaya iwasan ko to. Kailangan yung bata sa likod nakasakay. Nakasakay sa kanyang car seat. Ayan. 6 years and younger below. Number 8, failure to require her passenger or passengers to wear the prescribed seatbelt device, Section 12, RA 8750, including, ayan, so kung may sakay kayo, pasuotin nyo ng seatbelt. Ayan, mag-seatbelt kayo. Importante yan. Maliban sa for safety, pag nahuli kayo na sita, may bayad. Failure to post signage instructing front seat passengers to wear seat belts for PUV, so pang pasaherong sasakyan, ang fine ay 3,000 pesos for every violation, both for the PUV driver and operator. Ayan. So, dito parang pangpasad ng sasakyan. Pero sa mga sasakyan natin ng kotse, mag-seatbelt na lang tayo, no? Mahirap na. Baka matsyempuhan. Number 9, failure to wear standard protective motorcycle helmet or require back rider to wear the standard protective motorcycle helmet, RA 10054. So ayan, nangyari na sa akin to, Argoy. Walang helmet. Ayan. Wearing a helmet with fake Philippines standard PS. Ayan. Wearing a helmet with fake import commodity clearance IIC sticker. riding a moving motorcycle without wearing a helmet. So kailangan pag may sakay kayo na motorcycle, kayo nagda-drive, mag-helmet kayo, pag-helmetin niyo yung angkas nyo. Ayan. Dahil meron tayong penalty. Bawal yan. Hindi maganda yung nagda-drive na walang helmet. Ang fine ay 1,000 pesos for the first offense, 3,000 pesos for the second offense, 5,000 pesos for the third offense, and 10,000 pesos for the fourth and succeeding offense. So parang tumaas na siya. Hindi ko lang maalala kung nung nahuli ako, 500 or something binayaran ko niyan. Hindi ko na maalala. Tagal na kasi yon. Number 10. Failure to carry driver's license, certificate of registration, or official receipt OR while driving a motor vehicle. So, kailangan dala natin ang ating lisensya, ang rehistro ng sasakyan, ang ORCR. Dahil pag nahuli tayo, meron tayong multa na 1,000 pesos. Ayan. Number 11. All other violations of traffic rules and regulations. Parking in an intersection, within 5 meters of the intersection, 4 meters from the driveway entrance, within 4 meters from a fire hydrant, in front of a private driveway. Ano ko po? In front of a private driveway, bawal palang humarang. In the or on the roadway side of any unmoving or parked MV or motor vehicle at the curb or edge of the highway, at any place where signs of prohibitions have been installed. Ayan, huwag tayong basta lang pala magpa-park. Disregarding traffic signs, allowing passengers on top or cover of a motor vehicle except for truck helpers. Yung pinapasakay sa ibabaw ng mga sasakyan, yung mga bubong, yung mga ano, nako. Failure to provide canvas cover to cargoes or freight of trucks. So, kailangan may cover yung ano, mga dala nyong kargada. Yun nga ito, yung mga sa mga parang mga kadalasan probinsya ito napapanood or panga pelikula ng mga sumasakay sa bubong. Ayan, permitting passenger to ride on running board, step board, or mudguard of motor vehicle while in motion. Ako, delikado pala yan. Failure to dim headlights when approaching another vehicle. Naku po, nanilaw. Driving in a place not intended for traffic or into place not allowed for parking. Hitching or permitting a person for a or a bicycle, motorcycle, tricycle, or skate roller to hitch to a motor vehicle. Agoy. Driving against traffic, failure to pass right the right when meeting persons or vehicles coming forwards towards him. So may kasalubong ka, nag-drive ka against the traffic. Dilim ako. Illegal turn. Failure to conduct the vehicle to the right of the intersection of the highway when turning to the left in going from one highway to another. Magkamali ka ng liko. Failure of the driver of a motor vehicle intending to run to the right at an intersection to approach such intersection in the lane for traffic nearest to the right-hand side of the highway and in turning to keep as close as possible to the right-hand curve or edge of the highway. Failure of the driver of a vehicle intending to turn to the left to approach such intersection in the lane for traffic to the right of and nearest to the center line of the highway, and in turning to pass to the left of the center of the intersection except upon highway lane for traffic and upon one-way highway. Illegal overtaking, failure to pass to the left. Ayan, no? Sa left ka mag-overtake when overtaking person or vehicles going to the same direction. Illegal overtaking. So ito, pwede itong ikaso dun sa ano, sa kamote driver na yung Yana, yung motor vlog. Illegal overtaking. Failure to pass to the left when overtaking person or vehicles. Agoy, illegal overtaking ka, girl. Tapos ano, Yung wala ka pang side mirror. Cutting an overtaken vehicle, kinat mo pa. Driving to the right side of the highway after overtaking before motor vehicle is clear of overtaken vehicle. Failure to give way to an overtaking vehicle after or even after giving a suitable and audible signal. Ayan, hindi nag-signal silang pareho. Si ate hindi nag-signal. Hindi nag-beep beep. Increasing speed when being overtaken. Also, in-overtaken ka na, nagmadali ka pa. So, para pagkarera ka, ayaw mo magbigay. Before the overtaking vehicle has completely passed. Overtaking at unsafe distance to the left of another vehicle when overtaking that vehicle. When the left side is not visible or clear of oncoming traffic, driving to the left side of the center line of a highway vehicle proceeding in the same direction where the left side is not clearly visible and is not free of oncoming traffic upon a crest of a grade when another vehicle is proceeding in the same direction, upon a curve in a highway where the driver's view is obstructed with a distance of 500 feet ahead, at any railway grade crossing, at an intersection of highways except on a highway having two or more lanes for movement of traffic in one direction where the driver of a vehicle may overtake another vehicle on the right, or men working or caution signs on a highway at no overtaking zone, failure to yield the right of way to the vehicle on the right when these vehicles approach or enter a intersection at approximately the same time of the approaching vehicle but have not yet entered an intersection to a vehicle within such intersection or turning therein to the left across the lane of travel of the first mentioned vehicle when such vehicle has given a plainly visible signal of intention to turn off the driver of any vehicle upon a highway within a business or residential district to yield the right of way to a pedestrian crossing such highways within a crosswalk except at an intersection where the movement of traffic is regulated by a peace officer or a or by a traffic signal. So, kailangan pag may nagka-traffic, kahit di natin masunod yung traffic light, pero may traffic enforcer na nagre-regulate ng flow ng traffic, sundin natin. Of a vehicle entering a highway from a private road or driver upon a highway to yield the right of way to all vehicles approaching on such highway. Of drivers upon a highway to yield to police or fire department vehicles and ambulances when such vehicles are operated on official business and the drivers thereof sound audible signal on their approach. So, ayan, kailangan pagbigyan yung mga yan. At a thorough highway or a stop intersection to all vehicles approaching in either direction on such through highway, failure to stop before traversing a through highway or a railroad crossing, failure to give proper signal before starting, stopping, or turning from a direct line, failure to stop motor and notch handbrake of motor vehicle when unattended, when parking on any highway, unsafe towing, obstruction of the free passage of other vehicles on the highway while discharging or taking passengers, loading and unloading freight, driving a motor vehicle in such a manner as a obstruct or impede the passage of any vehicle, MC or motor, MC ito, MC carry more passengers other than the back ride, motorcycle to. carrying more passengers other than the back rider or cargo saddlebags and luggage carriers. Ito, nangyayari to. Minsan yung isang motor, anim ang sakay. Ayan. Refusal to render service to the public or convey passengers to destination. Overtaking or undercharging of fare. So, overcharging pala. Naku, nagdadagdag ka ng pasamamasahe. Ayan. No franchise, certificate of public convenience or evidence of franchise presented during apprehension or carried inside the motor vehicle. Fraud and falsified such as presentation of fake and spurious CPC ORCR plate stickers and tags operating the units or unit with defective parts and accessories. Failure to provide fair discount to those entitled under existing laws and the pertinent memorandum circulars of the LTFRB. Fast, tampered, defective taximeter, or operating without or with an old steel taximeter, tampered, broken, joined, connected, fake, or altered ceiling wire, no signboard, pick up and drop off of passengers outside the terminal, carrying of illegal and or prohibited cargoes, failure to provide the fire extinguisher and required stop and go signage for use of each vehicle, trip cutting, failure to display fare matrix, breach of franchise conditions under 2011 revised terms and conditions CPC not otherwise herein provided. So, ang fine ay 1,000 pesos sa mga nabanggit na violation. Violations in connection with motor vehicle registration, renewal, or operation. Driving, ito na, mga registration or renewal operation na. Ito naman, yung part na to. Driving an unregistered motor vehicle including driving with an improper registered motor vehicle or a motor vehicle with expired, revoked, suspended, or invalid registration. So, ano na, paso na ang rehistro. Unregistered or fake substitute or replacement engine block or chassis, 10,000 pesos ang fine. Penalty, if non-registration of the violation has exceeded 1 month, the vehicle will be impounded until registration and payment of fines and penalties. For undocumented engines, the vehicle shall be confiscated, impounded, and barred, tama ba basa ko? For 1 year from payment of the fines. Naku, may impound ng 1 year. Unauthorized modification, including unauthorized change in color, binago mo yung kulay. Unauthorized modification of the standard manufacturer's specification is 5,000 pesos. Binago mo yung sasakyan. May tinanggal ka. Confiscation until after inspection, correction of defect, and payment of fine. Agoy. Operating a right-hand drive motor. So tayo kasi left-hand drive tayo dito, nag-drive ka ng right hand dito sa Pilipinas, magkaka-violation ka pala. So hindi ka pala pwedeng magdala rito ng basta-basta ng kotse na naka-right hand. Ang penalty natin, impounding ay 50,000 pesos. May impound pa yung sasakyan mo until defect was corrected and the fine was paid subject to inspection. Agoy. At ito yung binanggit ko ron sa video nung ano, sabi niya, gamitin mo yung side mirror mo. Ikaw may side mirror, ako wala. Talagang binanggit niya paano, ikaw may side mirror, gamitin mo side mirror mo, ako wala eh. Sabi rito, operating vehicle without or with defective, improper, or unauthorized accessories, devices, equipment, and parts including bells, sirens, whistles, blinkers, horns, early warning device EWD, grill or grills, jalousies, brake, foot and hand brakes, brake lights, headlights, interior lights, signal lights, tail lights, mirrors, ayan, mirrors, mufflers, metallic tires, spare tire, speedometer, windshield, wipers, other accessories, device, equipment, or part that is prejudicial to road safety. Ang fine ay 5,000 pesos, 5,000. Penalty, the vehicle will be impounded until the accessory, device, equipment, or part is properly installed, corrected, or removed and the fine was paid. The improper or unauthorized accessory, device, equipment, or part shall be confiscated. Aroy. 16. Failure to attach or improper attachment or tampering of authorized motor vehicle license plates and or third plate sticker, including, so inalis yung plate number. Ako po, tinamper. Attachment of any unauthorized plate or plates or any accessory or device to and or around the authorized motor vehicle license plate. Attachment that impedes the visibility or reflectivity of the authorized motor vehicle license plate and or the third plate sticker. Ang fine ay 5,000 pesos. Penalty, removal and confiscation of unauthorized plate, accessory, and or device. Number 17, ito, smoke belching. Smoke belching, Section 46 RA 8749, as well as violation of emission standards through visual signs. Ang fine ay 2,000 pesos for the first offense, 4,000 pesos para sa second offense, and 6,000 for the third offense. Penalty, the motor vehicle shall be impounded and the MV or motor vehicle license plate withheld until it passed the standard emission test. So, ito-test yung sasakyan kung papasa na. Attendance to a seminar in pollution control management. Ayan, naabala ka pa. Ano ka pa natin na seminar. For both the driver and the operator, 1 year suspension of the motor vehicle registration, MVR. Third offense, suspension of the motor vehicle registration for 1 year, succeeding offense, agoy. Number 18, fraud related to MV or motor vehicle registration renewal. Ang fine ay 3,000 pesos. Ang penalty, impounding of a motor vehicle. Motor vehicle will be barred from registration for 1 year. Tama ba, barred or bared? Hindi tama yung pagbasa rito. From the payment of the fine. Number 19, all other violations related to motor vehicle registration renewal operation. So, ibang pang mga violation ay magko-cost ng 2,000 pesos. Violations in connection with dimension, specification, weight, and load limits. So, ang load mo nag-extend beyond the projected width without permit, may babayad ka ng 1,000. Axle overloading, a dual axle or dual wheel axle load shall exceed 13,500 kilograms. Pag lumampas sa gantong 13,500 na kilograms, the vehicle load exceeds 150% of the maximum gross weight. Ang fine ay 25% of the motor vehicle to UC at the time of infringement, waived for loads exceeding the registered GVW. Ano to? Hindi ko maalam itong mga to. By a tolerance of less than 5%. Hindi ko alam itong part na to. 22. Operating the passenger bus, truck with cargo exceeding 160 kilograms pag nag-overweight ng ano mo. Sobra sa timbang. Fine ay 1,000 for both driver and conductor. Violations in connection with franchise. Ito, kapag may mga franchise violation. Colorum violation. So, etong mga to, pang mga pangpasahero na pampasada. So, hindi na natin pagdadaanan tong mga to kasi pampasahada na tong sasakyan to. Oh, ayan, overcharging. So, yun na lang muna tayo sa mga personal na sasakyan, okay? Hanggang dyan na lang muna. Ang dami pa. So, kung gusto yung basahin, puntahan tong website para alam nyo, punta lang po kayo sa ltoportal.ph/driving-fines-violations. So, mga idol, thank you sa pagsama sa akin na inisa-isa natin 'tong mga driving violations. So, hindi na natin napuntahan lahat kasi yung iba pang mga pangpasada ng sasakyan, hindi na yung mga pang personal. So, doon muna sa personal na sasakyan natin. Okay. Ayan. So, thank you for watching my channel and my videos. Hanggang sa susunod. Bye-bye and mwah mwah. Chup chup!